Welcome to PanTree, our inventory management app aimed to help restaurants manage their inventory, such as to reduce waste and optimize processes. Over here, you can see that is our landing page, and the aim of this feature is to show the user the inventory as well as to add and edit the inventory when a new order comes in. So on this page, you can see the various items inside the inventories: so chicken, mushroom, tomatoes, greens, pasta. You can also see the corresponding inventory values next to it. So now what we can do is we can add inventory based on when a new order comes in. And as you can see here, you can choose from a range of the items the restaurant commonly carries, and you can increase the quantity of this inventory based on the shipment that's being delivered to the restaurant. Once you've done that, you can input the expiry date so you can keep track of when items have to be consumed by. And you enter the password for authentication and submit the form. And once you submit the form, you can see that the values for the items that we've just input the order for, such as feta cheese, has gone up. So this helps to track all new inventory items being added. Once we have filled up our inventory order form, we can now proceed to see the predictions of the inventory items that we have. And we do this by clicking on the View Daily Predictions button over here. And as you can see over here, there is a dashboard showing you the usage of ingredients over a period of time. This is very useful for restaurants to have insights into how much food they've been consuming over a period of time and seeing the historical data. You can change this time between 2 weeks, a month, and a week. And below here, what you can see is the predicted amount of inventory which will be used, and on the top and on the bottom, you can see the actual inventory, which shows if the prediction is higher than what it actually is, it will be in green, meaning there's excess left over. And if there is less than what is been actually having, it will be in red. This view suggestions page helps us to receive suggestions from the system of what food items to push out or to promote or to sell more of, depending on the weather. So what this does is it calls a weather API from data.gov.sg, which tells us the weather conditions for today. What then happens is once you click on the return button, it's going to suggest a few items that will go well with that weather. For example, today's weather forecast is thundery showers, and we feel that people will like to have more tomato basil pasta, and therefore it will recommend items such like this, or maybe a warm mushroom soup. And then if you want to take the suggestion, you can enter a price of this item, a promotional price, and a brief description, and post it to a consumer marketplace for sale.